Want to chat with friends in Roblox on your PS5 or PS4? Here's how to get your headset working in 2025. First, ensure you have a compatible headset with a built-in microphone. Sony's official PS5 headsets, like the Pulse 3D wireless headset, are ideal, but many third-party options, such as the Logitech G435, also work great. Wireless Bluetooth headsets offer more freedom, but wired USB headsets are also compatible, especially for PS4. To set up, 1. Go to your PS5 PS4 home screen. 2. Open Roblox and navigate to Settings. 3. Find Voice Chat and select Enable Mic Access. 4. You'll need to link your Roblox account to your PlayStation Network account and verify your age. 5. Adjust your audio settings for optimal volume and consider enabling noise cancellation. Remember, Roblox requires you to be 13 or older, or have parental permission if you're between 13 and 17, to use voice chat. Make sure your headset is properly connected and selected as the default audio input device in your PlayStation settings for everything to work correctly. Roblox's safety mode includes age restrictions. Users under 13 cannot access voice chat. Those aged 13 to 17 need parental permission. Permissions are also per experience, meaning some games might require you to opt in to voice chat. Moderators can mute users who violate community guidelines. If your mic isn't working, start with these troubleshooting steps. 1. Check your PSN privacy settings to ensure voice chat is allowed. 2. Make sure your Roblox app is up to date. 3. Try restarting your console or relinking your Roblox and PSN accounts. Remember, voice chat is built on WebRTC for low latency audio, enabling seamless cross-platform communication. Parental controls are stringent, so ensure younger players have proper supervision. In case of inappropriate behavior, report the incident to Roblox moderators.